All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a scale. And this is one where we're just going to be putting together like a single meal. So this meat has already been pre-measured. I already know that this is about, my 4 ounces a serving. So we don't need to worry about that. So there's 2 ways to start. So when we put some rice in there, we want to make sure that we get the right amount of rice without being too crazy with it, right? So you can either turn the scale on. Okay, now it's on. Now we're gonna put my dish on there, and I already have my meat in there. But now we need to make sure that it's zeroed out. The other option that we can do, if we know that we don't need to measure this item, and even if it was just an empty bowl, you can set it down when the scale is off, turn it on, and there you go. It's already zeroed out. Next thing, you want to make sure that you're in the correct measurement. So it's in grams, or you can go to ounces and pounds or straight ounces. So you just need to make sure that you're in the right measurement here before you start weighing, or else, you're trying to weigh grams and you're actually in ounces and you're gonna be way over. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we're gonna do 73 grams of rice, okay? So this is cooked rice, and I'm just gonna measure out 73 grams. Done. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Nope. Okay, there we go. Give it a second. All right, there we go. And now I have exactly 73 grams of rice. So that's a way more accurate way to do this. And especially when you're trying to dial yourself in and making sure that you're getting the exact amount you're supposed to be getting, instead of just like taking a big, cup out of here, or just a couple spoonfuls, who knows how much that is. So this is just a lot more accurate. It gets you to where you need to be a lot faster.